Opposites don't attract. You're more likely to be attracted to someone who looks and thinks the same as you do. You can't wife a girl who loves attention from other guys. The strangers in your dream are actually people that you've seen in your real life. Girls love it when guys say their name. The average man ignores their partner about 400 times a year using selective hearing. People who have a strong sense of guilt are better at understanding other people's thoughts and feelings. People who blush easily are more generous and trustworthy than those who don't. The more educated a woman is, the more likely she is to be a heavy drinker. Study says 80% of men look at your breasts when they meet you first time. We're more likely to mirror the behaviors of those we are interested in or impressed. Always tell the truth. So when you have to tell a lie, people are more likely to believe you. Most people believe other people's social lives are richer and more active than their own, a study found. Want someone to speak more? Just keep looking into their eyes and you'll find them revealing much more than you expected. Sometimes a person's silence means, "I'm tired of explaining to people who will never even care to understand." If someone waits for you, it does not mean that they have nothing else to do. It just means that nothing else is more important than you. If you meet someone, show excitement, this way the other person will be excited about the meeting too. When someone gives advice, respond with "You are right" rather than "I know." You will sound nicer. 97% of girls are attracted to boys who make them laugh.